doing? What do you got in your hand, Russell?
Vapor Trapper, Shop 48.
LG Billet.
LG Billet has sent us a Vapor Trapper for Project OBS, so whoever wins this truck is going to have the best charcoal canister on the market.
Yep.
On the giveaway trap.
So what these things do is they cut down on your gas fumes coming out of your gas tank when you've got an LS swap, because it's a lot higher pressure now. And so this cuts down on those fumes that are in your garage or in the cab of your truck. It helps out with that.
Yep. And speaking of LG Billet, we're going to do an unboxing today. We got some products from LG Billet for Project OBS and for Old Mac.
We've had this box for probably a week and a half, and it's just been sitting over here. So it's going to be like Christmas, opening it all up and getting all the prizes out of there. It's going to be awesome. So we're going to start working on installing this Vapor Trapper. That's what we're going to start on right now. So let's get this thing done.
So my plan is to mount the Vapor Trapper right up here on this rear frame rail. It's going to be the best location for accessibility, and I just want to put it there. So that's where I'm putting it. When you order your Vapor Trapper, they do not come with brackets. You can use these rubber strap brackets, which is what we've used before, or LG Billet makes these billet ones. You know, you can see the difference between the two. We got the billet ones this time for Project OBS. It's gonna look nice. I pre-drilled my holes so that y'all wouldn't have to watch me try to do my redneck math. So it makes it look like we're on power block on Saturday morning.
Oh yeah?
It's just all so easy.
Just goes together.
Just goes right together.
Boom, boom, this is how it's done.
They've never had a ball joint stuck on that show.
So what is, why are you placing it right here? What's your reasoning?
Because it's easy to get to, it's easy to drill the holes. I was gonna put it up there, but it was just gonna be so hard to mark it and drill the holes and get everything where I wanted it. It's more accessible back here.
Yeah.
And I thought that if any fumes do get out of this at any point, it'd be better to have them at the back of the truck than right under the door.
Yeah, that's where, because the gas tank, the line comes off the gas tank right here. And that's right where the cab and the bed meet. So close to there. So now we're gonna put it way back here. Those billet brackets are nice. Those are a lot nicer than the straps that come with it.
Yeah.
Like, did you have to purchase off Amazon or whatever? So those are awesome.
Yeah, they look nice.
They look nice. They're a little bit too nice for this truck, but hey, it is what it is. They look good.
You want them on Old Mac?
Nah, they'll be fine on this one.
Sucker.
You just already got it in there. I was like, I went to go get some coffee. Bam.
That sucker fits
Installed.
right in there, buddy.
Dude, that's so nice with that bracket.
Look at it.
Dang.
Those brackets are super nice.
Yeah, that's the nicest.
As we did on Old Mac, if y'all didn't watch that video, you can click this link right here. Wes is gonna put up. And we did a full install video on Old Mac with Vapor Trapper. But one of the things you gotta do is your line needs to have a spot in it that's at least 8 inches above the top of your fuel tank. That way no spillover fuel gets in that line and gets in this canister. Because if raw fuel gets in the canister, the carbon in there is ruined and you'll have to rebuild it. But with Vapor Trapper, you can send it to them and they will rebuild it for you. I had forethought and I went ahead and hooked the hose up to this tank for the vent before we put the bed on, because it's hard to access with the bed on. But what I'm doing is I'm coming out of the fuel tank. We're gonna go up above the fuel neck and then come back down, and I'll attach this hose to the vent on the fuel neck. And the reason I'm doing that, first of all, we don't want fuel getting in the line, but second of all, I want you to be able to pull the bed off without having to disconnect anything. And you have to disconnect the fuel neck from the bedside to get the bed off, and this will be connected to that. And it's just how my brain is rationalizing it.
You can see right up there, that is the gas neck, the gas filler door. Yeah, right here. The gas line goes right there, the neck, filler neck, right there. And you've got your line coming up and around, and it'll be attached to that gas filler neck.
Yeah.
Is what we're doing. So that way.
And then it'll come back down and into the frame rail and back here to the Vapor Trapper.
Kind of come around, all the way around. Bam, goes into the Vapor Trapper. And then exhaust out.
Bam, balam. And just like that, our Vapor Trapper install is done. It is really quite simple, guys. I mean, I ran some hoses. There's the Vapor Trapper, there's the vent hose. The hose runs around over there, down over here, and over there, and over there. It's gonna turn your old hot rod into something that doesn't stink up your garage, doesn't stink when you're going down the road. It eliminates those fuel odors. and it looks super nice under here.
Wait, you're already done?
I'm done.
Damn, that was easy.
I'm done. Vapor Trapper's that easy.
I did a good job on this.
You did not. We're pumped. This package has been sitting on the floor for a week now, and we've been waiting until we could actually put it on the truck to open it.
I am ready to open this. This has got all the stuff that I went through on LG Billet's website. You know how like when you go on a website and you're dreaming and you just pick everything that'll fit your truck? That's what I did.
So
and we got it all.
I haven't seen it. I didn't even have that little dream.
Yep, you didn't get to do that experience.
So I don't know what's in this box.
I picked all these parts. They fit everything that fits. This OBS I ordered. Everything that fits. Old Mac I ordered. So we've got everything in this box right here from LG Billet.
Can we open it?
Let's open it. Let's open it. Let's do it. We'll save these for later. This is the LG Billet LS oil filler cap. We're gonna install it on this truck right now. Next thing we're installing is the LG Billet black shifter knob for the OBS. We're just gonna take this one off, install this one. It's gonna be, man, look at the difference. It's gonna be nice. Next thing we're gonna install is these LG Billet, let me see what they're actually called because I'm not sure, they're the door jamb vents. So these are the door jamb vents that are on your OBS. A lot of the times these things are made of plastic and they break. So we're gonna replace them with these LG Billet ones. Next thing we're gonna install is the LG Billet antenna. Next thing we're installing is the LG Billet bed stake pocket covers. This is the whole assembly you need for your OBS, for your door handles. Comes with all brand new plastic, comes with a billet door handle and a billet lock right here. So this thing's real nice, gonna replace your factory part and just be an upgrade. The original parts are held in by rivets, so we're gonna drill those out, and the LG Billet parts comes with nice little bolts with lock head nuts. It's gonna be super nice. super simple to install. Just trying to get back in here. You don't have to take off this whole panel, and you can get it done. Not very long install, but that's a huge upgrade from factory. Looks a lot better too.
LG Billet does offer these strikers. They are not black because they're going to get worn against by the bear claw on the door, but the washer is black. They're going to look good too, and when it's all done, we'll show you everything.
That was so easy to install, the LG Billet parts. Even I can do it. You can do this at your home. Go on LG Billet's website, pick out your parts, and bring Billet back.